Hi viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about how to install FocusWriter on Ubuntu 18.04. FocusWriter is an open source and cross-platform text editor. It has support for TXT, RTF and ODT and allow the users to set timers and alarms. It has autosave, spell check and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install FocusWriter on Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, now first of all we have to add the repository of FocusWriter. Click enter and continue. Then before starting your installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the FocusWriter. Press Y and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. Now we have to open the Ubuntu search box. Here we have to type FocusWriter. The application is on the screen. Now we have to open this application. Then finally here we can see FocusWriter application. Now you can able to use this application. Then now we have to check the version of FocusWriter. Here we can see the version of FocusWriter 1.6.13. Thus we have seen how to install FocusWriter on Ubuntu 18.4. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linux Help. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.